Hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos from my channel. So guys, yes, today is 21st of June and the time is almost 9:10 now. So let's see how the pre-open market has opened today. So going to the pre-open market data and pre-open market page. So here you can see the market is opening 1% down. That is 157.50% down. It's opening at 15,525.85. So advanced stocks are zero. So all the stocks are opening in the gap down section and zero unchanged stocks. So now let's see the stock which is opening in the most gap down section today. So there is no gap up stocks. So the most gap down stock is JSW Steel with 2.04% down and Tata Steel with 2.04% down. So yes, these are the pre-open market as open today, as you guys can see. So almost all the stocks are opening in the gap down section today. So let's see how the market will perform and what trade I take today. So guys, yes, so this is how the pre-open market has opened today. So just in few minutes I'll be selecting the stock and I'll be showing you my live trade what I do today. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel would be amazing. And also if you're new to stock market trading and want to learn how to make money consistently in stock market trading, you can join my course today. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. Okay, so you can watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. So guys, there is so much of advantages and benefits what you can get from angel broking. Okay, so there is a bit of an offer going on. Okay, so you guys can open the angel broking account by clicking the link in the description below of this video. So you get a free trading account. Okay, so when you use my link in the description below of the video and open an account with angel broking, you get absolute free trading account, and there is a lot of benefits what you get. The first thing is the brokerage is very less. Okay, and as you know, angel broking is a full-time broker with a lot of facilities what you get. Okay, and there's only rupees 20 per trade taken, and also you get one more good advantage, that is you get margins for your delivery trades. Yes, so whatever capital you have, you get up to 4 times for margin trading. That is, for the holding trades you get up to 4 times margin. And once you open your account in angel broking by using the link in the description below of this video, you will be added to my private telegram channel where I share stock news and market facts and lot of interesting things. Okay, so if you guys want to be a part of my private telegram channel, you can open the link and sign up for an angel broking account, or if you have an angel broking account, you can use the upstock account link which I've given. So you can open any of this both account, and once you open an account, message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen with the details, and I'll be adding you to my private telegram channel. So make sure you get these benefits. So guys, yes, let me just buy the Indelco stock now. Okay, so I shall buy the Indelco in the market level now, around the same level what is running. So yes, around 364 or 363.80 is where I just bought it now. So let's see for the stock to go up. Okay, so on the top left side you can see the market is almost like 0.70% down. So it may go bit down, at 15,500 or 50,520 is somewhere the major support level is. Okay, so yes, I believe that today the market gap down what it has given will recover today. Okay, and also can close it above like 0.1 or 0.2% above that also. But let me see, because Nifty Metal and also the Indelco stock is really in a good support level now. So I'm not expecting much. So I'm just expecting like 1% or 0.5% target from the level where I've entered now. Okay, and yes, this might take a little bit time now because the market is correcting. Okay, so the market is still in a lower side now. So whenever the market recovers, our stock should also recover. So I think it will recover, like it won't be much of a time. within the second of Within the second half of the day, that is around afternoon, we can see some recoveries in the market is what I feel. So anyway, I have bought it and I'm still waiting for the stock to go up, and it will go up at least 1% from here, because there is a main support level for the Indelco here. When I checked it, around 362 is also a good support level. So you can see that in the first 5 minutes candle, what you're seeing in the chart, the stock has come down. It has hit almost 360, and from there the buyers came in and the stock closed. The first 5 minutes candle closed above like 364 somewhere. Okay, so by seeing that, I decided that this stock should go up, and that's why I bought this stock. And yeah, it's coming up now, so around 364. So once it breaks, let me take my exit around 366 or 367, somewhere around there. That will be a good exit for me. So let's see how the stock will perform. So yes, it will take some time, guys, because even the market should also recover. But if you see in the market depth, almost same number of buyers and sellers. So when this kind of situation happens, there will be a quick change in a trend, because both buyers and sellers are in the same number. So we'll see how much time it will take, but this stock should recover at least 1% from here, is what my study is telling. So that's why I bought this stock, and we will hold this, and we'll see how it will perform. Even the nifty metal is also in a good support level. A lot of other stocks has been in a peak now, and all the most of the stocks has been corrected now, because the market has fallen like almost from 15,900 to 15,500, what it has touched today. So almost 400 points have been corrected. So at least from now the market should be in a good upward movement, is what I am feeling. And even with that, our nifty metal index also should go in a same thing. So let's see, let's wait for the stock to come up. So my exit will be around 365.50 or 367 if it's going much higher. So anyway, 367 is the maximum where I'll exit, guys. So we'll wait for the stock. So guys, yes, if you guys can see now the market has also recovered, which was 1% down. It's now back to 0.55%. Okay, and the stock went up till 367, somewhere around the 361.15, and I took my exit around 367. And yes, so this was the profit what I was able to book today in the today's trade of Indalco. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us today. So I'll be teaching you all these techniques and strategies and stock picking things and everything once you join my course. So I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos, a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to recover your losses from today and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.